Welcome to our channel www.news.co.id.
Hello, what's up guys? Meet with me again in News NC channel. Okay, in this tutorial, I'm gonna show how to show data from database using Combobox in Visual Basic. That's very easy, guys. For fast, let's do it. Open our Visual Studio. After that, let's create one project. Let's call show data from database in Combobox, like this, and I'll put my project in the desktop and click OK. In this tutorial, I need two item, button and Combobox, of course. Let's add in here. Okay, this is button, this is in Combobox, and I want to change the text of my button to show data, for example, in here, guys. Let's make in center here. Okay, after that, what we to do is creating database first. In here, I'm using some for server, and of course I activate or running Apache and MySQL to open phpMyAdmin. Let's do that and creating database. After opening localhost / phpMyAdmin and just create database like this, for example, Combobox DB, like this, and let's create. In here I want to make table student for a table name, and the number of column I want just 2. And for example, let's do it a var chart in here, and this is okay, the length is 30, for example, and this is for name is 100. Okay, this is number. Okay, you can see number like this, and the second is field. I want to make names, for example, here like this, name. Oh my god, I'm sorry, names. Just let's save in here. Okay, now we have a database called Combobox underscore DB, and we have one table. It's called table student, and in the table student we have nothing here, but we do that later after code the Visual Basic. Now back to our projects. First is let's creating one folder. This is for our connection, guys, and I always give this folder name is access data, like this. And in access data I want to adding one class, and this class I want to call DT connection, like this, and click add. Because we are using MySQL, let's add reference here. Okay, just type in search bar MySQL data here. Okay, guys, I want to add this. Now let's import MySQL. And I want to declare dim connect as new MySQL connection, and this is for our detail. Where is our server location? Localhost. Sorry, you can just do like this, guys. Okay, localhost, and for user is root, and the password is empty for default in MySQL. Okay, and don't forget to database name is like our DB name. Okay, this is our database name, Combobox DB. Just copy to like this. Okay guys, Combobox DB, and I'm sorry, this is not semicolon passwords, and this is just semicolon like this. Okay, then I want to create public as MySQL connection. Try connect the open, and then for music box because we are using function, we need to return in here. I'm sorry guys, return connect like this, and public function, this is for close as MySQL connection. Sorry, try connect dot close. Don't be careful, not clone but close in here guys. And this is for music box ex.message. Okay, like this. Don't forget to return connect here like this. Okay, this is our connection. Server using localhost, user is root, and password is empty in this case. Okay, and the database name is Combobox. And back to our form guys, you can minimize this. Okay, this is our form, and just double click in show data button, and we need to again import MySQL client like this, and region declare for example. Okay, I want to declare some variable, and for second hash dt connection like this, and for third is ubg data for. Okay, in the button click event, let's just do for my gmd for this is for query guys. Select from, this is the table name. Just let's see our table name. Okay, our table name is here or here, table student. Okay, let's just do this copy, select from table student. I want to select asterisk. This mean select all of field. Okay. uh, Order by, we can order by number, guys. In table student, let's see the structure. Number. Okay. Number, we can using ascending here like this. Okay. And while, because we using in here is looping, guys, we need to closing our database for save. So in the start uh, our comment, it's better we adding my connection dot close statement here like this. While obj data reader dot read. Okay. And then let's see our name of combo box. It's still combo box 1. Okay. So this is combo box 1 to add in here. For combo box 1 is object data reader, because we select number ascending. eh let's just show two, for example. Okay. And for example like this, guys. Okay, sorry, I want to show two record here. Okay, I will copy paste, and this is index, I'm sorry, index 1, and the format is number and dash name like this. Don't forget to close my connection dot close to close database. Just let's do is error or not. Okay, guys, I'm running. Okay, this is nothing. If I click, if no error, okay, no error, guys, no nothing data. After that, let's to browse in here, and then just make insert. For example, number 1 is the name student is news inc, and number 2 is the name is Sony sites like this, for example. Just click go here, and we have two records. Okay, number 1 is news nc, number 2 is Sony sites. Let's do click show data. Okay, guys, you can see here. Okay, let's adding 1 again in here. Number 3 is news.co.id. Number 4 is, for example, is nosware.com like this. Just click go again and back to our application. Okay, still 2, click show data. Okay, I'm sorry, this is because we not clear first. So if we click show data again, it's very very uh, ugly like this. So how to uh, clear that? Just adding in here my combo box or combo box 1 dot items dot clear. Just do this. Okay, show data, and click again. Okay, And that's all guys, tutorial how how to show data from database to Combobox in visualbasic.net. Thanks for watching, and you can download this project in www. I'm sorry, just like this, news.co.id/web/vb, and you can download in this site. And if any question or any uh, related about this project, you can ask in my site. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to get any update about Visual Basic programming. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.